Let's suppose this were a large waffle cone and we want to find out how much ice cream we can put inside of it. That would be finding the volume of a cone. The formula that we use for volume of a cone is just a little bit different. It's still got capital B times H, but we're going to take a third of it. It's not hard to do. We still need to know what capital B is, and so we look at our cone, we find that the circle is our capital B, and the way we find area of a circle is to multiply pi r squared, and I found that at the top of my tax chart. Another way to write that is pi times radius, and the radius of my cone is 6. So I'll multiply pi times 6, or pi times 36 is a faster way to do it. And that gives me 113 and 0.04 centimeters squared. And that is the area of the base of our cone. If the area of the base of our cone is 113.04 centimeters squared, then capital B is 113.04 centimeters squared. Next, I need to figure out what H is, and that's very easy to find. The height of our cone is 14 centimeters. So I substitute those numbers in. 1/3 capital B was 113.04, and the height of our cone is 14. Now, I found it's easier on the calculator to just go ahead and multiply your decimal times the height and then divide by 3. So I already have 113.04 in the calculator. I'll multiply that times 14. That gives me 1,582.56. That's where I got this number. And then finally, I'll just hit divided by 3. And that gives me 527 and 52 centimeters cubed. And that's how much ice cream would fit in our cone. One thing you really need to be careful about when working with cones is that you need to remember to divide by 3 at the end. Many times students forget to divide by 3 and they'll give the answer that was in the step above. Don't forget, divide by 3 because a cone is 1/3 of a cylinder.